Alright, we are part 5. We got this one wound up. There's all the turns on there. And we are currently winding this one up. About 16 feet up here. Do a little zoom in of down there below. There's a tire coming up. We'll just keep going and crank this up. Next shot will be the door working in action. And we're going to tighten these coupler bolts down once the tension is on the springs. Everything's all tightened down, lubed and oiled, so next time we'll see this door rolling. That'll be part 6 of the fix or repair commercial garage door. Innovative Garage Door, 630-271-9343.